Hello, we were asked to talk about an energy source. So, we are going to talk about petroleum or oil. First of all, we are going to explain what is petroleum. Later, we will talk about its extraction. Then, we will talk about the positive and negative aspects. And finally, we are going to explain its environmental impact.
Definition: petroleum, also known as oil, is a naturally occurring black liquid that is found in formation beneath the Earth's surface. It is commonly refined into various types of fuels. This liquid, also called black gold, is one of the most used energy sources. But unluckily, the Earth will soon run out of oil. The petroleum use has increased enormously in the last 50 years. According to the U.S. Energy Information Administration, the world consumes 98.90 million barrels of oil each day.
When we ask ourselves how oil is extracted, we must take into account that petroleum created inside the earth by transformations and petrification of organic matters that accumulated from the geological past. It can be accumulated in geological traps and it is extracted by digging in the earth's surface.
Now, the advantages of the petroleum. Its extraction is very simple and cheap. It has multiple uses. The petroleum is used to create different types of fuels. It has economic potential, has high and efficient energy power. It has an easy storage. Now, the disadvantages. Oil is a non-renewable source of energy, so it will end one day. Burning oil produces carbon dioxide gas, which creates a lot of damage to the environment. As it will soon stop existing, it's getting expensive. Petroleum is a source that nations go world over. Environmental impact. It throws gases to the atmosphere, and that creates global warming or greenhouse effect. Because of global warming, the air poles are melting. That can be brought on the sea level can go up. Apart from this, when petroleum is transported in boats and a shipwreck happens, all the sea gets polluted.